Hey there! Are you looking for a high-performance pool cleaner that can tackle every inch of your pool, whether it's floor, walls, and even the water line, without breaking a sweat? If the answer is yes, then you are in the right place, because today we are going to unbox and review and test the Hydro 3S by Poolmate. But before we get started, I want to mention that this product was provided to us by Poolmate in exchange for a review, and while I do appreciate their support and trust in my channel, this will not affect my honest thoughts whatsoever, and my review will remain 100% genuine and unbiased as always. So feel free to stick around as we explore everything that this robot pool cleaner has to offer. With no further ado, let's jump right in. For the unboxing part, as you can see, we have the pool cleaner and comes with all the necessary accessories from charger and everything in between. This pool cleaner uses a smart S-shaped bath powered by the Hydro Curve intelligent algorithm to clean your pool more efficiently and thoroughly. You will see it climb walls, scrub water lines, and glide smoothly along the pool floor, so there will be no spots missed. It is powered by deep-sea technology motors originally developed for underwater robots that can handle water pressure up to 200 meters. They are built for long-term use even in high salt and high chlorine environments. That means more durability and less maintenance. Its dual centrifugal pumps filter 100 gallons of water per minute, pulling out leaves, hair, sand, and everything in between. And thanks to its patented dual water inlet design, it maintains a steady climb on walls and along the water line, even when the filter basket is full. And speaking of the basket, after a cleaning cycle, just pop open the dual-sided top and bottom lids and you will see just how much debris this thing collects, and as you can see in my case, it collected this much even though the pool seems pretty clean and nothing really you can see with your eyes, but it was able to collect all this as you can see, which is really impressive. It's a massive 4.1-liter basket with a 180 nylon filter which captures even fine particles while reducing how often you need to empty it. With Poolmate Boot app, you can fully customize your clean selecting from 4 cleaning modes: automatic, floor, walls, and eco. Set up scheduled tasks, monitor battery level, and manage settings even before the cleaner hits the water. Or if you prefer, just use the onboard button for quick mode switching if you want to use it manually without the app. Now let's talk about power. The built-in 11,000 mAh battery gives you up to 300 minutes of runtime in eco mode, enough to clean even larger pools with ease. It even auto-docks at the pool's edge when the battery dips below 5%, so it's always easy to retrieve. Durability and safety weren't overlooked either. The charging port is water-resistant, corrosion-proof, and intelligently designed to prevent water accumulation. It uses 7-layer precious metal plating to prevent electrolytes corrosion and ensure a stable, long-lasting charge. And at just 7.5 grams, it's lightweight and portable, so you can easily lift it out with one hand, Plus, the reinforced tracks help it cross over main drains and obstacles without getting stuck. So whether you are doing a weekly deep clean or just freshening up before a pool party, the Hydro 3S by Poolmate definitely gives you a total control and professional grade results right from your phone. So that's pretty much everything I have to cover with you about this amazing pool cleaner. I hope you guys find this review helpful and useful, and that it helped you decide whether it's the best fit for you. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more tech-related reviews. And if you have any questions or comments, as always, feel free to drop them down below in the comments section. I will also leave a link in the description for your convenience if you want to get yours and enjoy spotless pool cleaning with long-lasting power. See you in the next video. Peace.